We will now discuss the Marine Corps FEADs and our ROICCs. We will start first with our Marine Corps FEADs. Our Marine Corps FEADs are considered Echelon 4-level commands, and they are forward deployed elements of the FEC, just like the Public Works departments, and they provide installation level engineering and acquisition functions at our Marine Corps installations. Back in fiscal year 2014, most existing ROICCs, which stands for Resident Officer in Charge of Construction, that were supporting Marine Corps installations transitioned to this new FEAD structure. This new structure consists of both NAVFAC personnel embedded with Marine Corps personnel. Here we see a typical organizational structure of a Marine Corps FEAD. Again, in the red boxes, we have our Marine Corps personnel, and in blue are our NAVFAC personnel. We see within the NAVFAC area, the Marine Corps FEAD is led by a FEAD director who is a warranted CEC officer who is accountable for product and service delivery, support a command interface, and project execution. The FEAD director is responsible for ensuring compliance with technical standards and processes developed by the chief engineer. We also have NAVFAC personnel that are conducting contracting responsibilities. This includes performing administrative contracting officer functions, ACO, and they are responsible for post-award contract actions. They're also performing procuring contracting officer functions, otherwise known as PCO functions. And they are responsible for pre-award contract actions. We also have construction management. Construction management consists of NAVFAC personnel performing engineering, consultation, support, and technical expertise at the Marine Corps installation. Construction management includes quality assurance, cost, and schedule control. The next command we'll discuss are the ROICCs, Resident Officer in Charge of Construction. These commands are also forward deployed elements of the FEC, and they provide construction and contract award oversight to typically non-Navy clients. ROICCs can exist at Marine Corps installations that have not stood up a Marine Corps FEAD, as we just discussed. An example of that could be ROICC Camp Lejeune. But ROICCs can also exist at Air Force and Army installations and other Department of Defense and non-Department of Defense locations, such as ROICC Joint Base Andrews in Maryland. The ROICC is led by a resident officer in charge of construction. They are a warranted CEC officer who is accountable for product and service delivery and support a command interface. The ROICC is also responsible for ensuring compliance with technical standards and processes developed by the chief engineer at the FEC. The ROICCs also consist of construction management personnel, and that includes responsibilities consisting of safety compliance, quality assurance, providing engineering consultation, support, and technical expertise. Also, we have acquisition support. These include personnel providing administrative contracting officer functions, ACO, as well as procuring contracting officer functions, PCOs. This concludes our video.